Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So igame elendelayo Bafana bayodlala against iZambia. Uma uzazi ukuthi uhlala le eEastern Cape, uma uzazi ukuthi uhlala le eEastern Cape, hamba uthenga ithikithi uyobukela iBafana badlala le eNelson Mandela Bay Stadium. So ngizoshayela na prediction eyami le, ungayijudge eyami. Ungangitshela wena yakho kuma comments, but ke le engizoyikhetha manje eyami. Abadlali ongenza abadlali nikhumbuleke, this is a friendly match. Yabo akumele sizile ngobuso kakhulu, but ke kumele sikhumbule phela ukuthi siya prepper. Yabo this is a prep game for iBafana because bodlala le kwiCAF. Njengoba bekudlala nje kwiCAF, siyodlala next month kwiCAF. Kumele siye nesquad esiqinile. Le game le kumele sithathe serious. Kumele sazi ukuthi cha, labadlali laba ibona siyogadla ngabo uma sesiyodlala kwiCAF. Baningi abadlali abangabizwanga kule squad lesi. Let's hope bazokwazi bayithole i-call up ngenyanga ezayo uma sesiyodlala le eMorocco. So Nike lineup yami, ngangitshela wena eyakho kuma comments ingathini lineup, but ke this is my lineup for i-game against iZambia. Mase sise lapha epaleni ngaqalisa bani? Ngaqalisa olumjida lo uRonwen Williams. I know many people would say why Ivana ngamqalisa uSipho Chain, it's a friendly match. Mhlawumbe uzoqala uSipho Chain, but for me I think kumele siqalise the usual suspects. Kumele siqalise umjida kumele ngabe uyaqala. Yabo Ronwen Williams. For me I think umjida kumele ayiqala igame yakusasa, but ke I think ucoach uzomnikeza ithuba uSipho Chain. I think uyadeserve, but ke I know Ronwen kumele ayiqala. Mase kuthi kuma center backs ngaqalisa bani? Ngaqalisa uSibisi Benondamane. Umbokazi ngambeka kancane ebenchini bafethu. Yabo remember umjida wathola i-red card ngosikhathi sidlala against iZimbabwe. I know kwakwamayelo amabili, but ke umjida usathana ukuthola i-suspension. I don't know if i-suspension noma wayifine uFIFA. So angimele sizele ngobuso lento le, because if you remember very well lento yenzeka ukuthi eBokho Mkwena, angifuni siyithole sesenza amanye mistake. So ngcono nje ngiqalise kanje, umjida uyadlala kakhulu bafethu. So lo mjida lo for me ngamqalisa mina uNdamane, ngimqalise ukuthi uSibisi uBhodlela i-defender of the season last season. uNdamane ke bafethu currently he is a Mamelodi Sundowns player, but he is currently playing for iTS Galaxy. Many people don't know that ukuthi lo mjida lo umdlalo weMamelodi Sundowns. iSundowns yadecide ukuthi bangamsayini ngokuphelele ahlale nje kuTS Galaxy for le season le. But ke kule game le ngizomqalisa mina, wangidlalela kamnandi umjida ngosikhathi sidlala against iNigeria. If you remember when we played against Nigeria, this boy was very good in that game, so I would start him. Mase kuthi kuma wingbacks bafethu angifuna ukushintsha izinto eziningi. I will start uMdao and I will start uModiba. I will start uMdao ka right, start uModiba lapha ka left. Iyona back four nakile bafethu. Ngifuna sibophele la. If you saw igame ye-Argentina, against i-Angola, yabo ibiqinile naye i-Argentina. So nathi kumele sibophele kanje. So ngizobophela kanje mina lapha emuva ngizobe ngibophele kanje. Wena ungangitshela wena ngokwakho, mhlawumbe wena phela ungabakhetha abadlali abangajwayele ukudlala, but ke this is a friendly match, but it's a friendly match, but there is a big but. Kumele siyithathe serious because we are prepping for iAFCON. We are prepping for iWorld Cup. Bafana inawo ama games amaningi ezowadlala ezolungisa ngawo. So kumele sazi ukuthi soba nabadlali esizowazi ukuthi okay, sibona bazosimela mase siyale. Bile sayo sibona bazosimela. So njengoba ngizobakhetha nje ibona mina ngokwami abazokwazi basimele. So iyona back four yami. Mase ngize eswini ngaqalisa bani? uTebogo Mokoena wethu uThalente Mbatha. Angifuni lo ngiyalina le. Angifuni ukulo ngishintsha, ngiloke ngikurufa. Izinto eziningi angimele siyishintshe kuBafana. Currently Bafana, this is the best midfield esinayo kuBafana. Tebogo Mokoena bafethu, what a guy, what a player. Tebogo Mokoena is one of those guys abangadlaleli Orlando Pirates, but I like the way they play. Ngithanda indlela abadlala khona, even though umjida yabo i-controversy ebiningi imsurroundile during isikhathi se-qualification ye-World Cup, but yena mfethu ngokubuyena umjida uyadlala bafethu. Nje last down uTebogo Mokoena is that guy. He is the guy actually. So for me iyona midfield yami le noThalente Mbatha. uThalente Mbatha ka bafethu angifuna ukukhuluma ngahle hlezi ngimncoma uThalente Mbatha. Niyangazi umuntu ungijwayele ukuwabuka ama-video aVane Sports, ujwayele ukungizwa ngimncoma uThalente Mbatha. Sekuphelile into engamncoma ngayo, umshidi uyayazi into ayenzayo. He's the best number 8 okhona ku-Betway Premiership. Ungangitshela ukuthi umuphi u-number 8 okhona la ku-Betway Premiership odlala okudlula uThalente Mbatha. umuphi number 8 okhona la ku-Betway Premiership odlala okudlula uTalente Mbatha. One thing I like about uTalente Mbatha, he makes into elula, like wenza izinto basic uyawazi. Ubasic uyawazi as a midfielder kumele uwazi ukuthi izinto nezinto ozenzayo akumele zibe complicated. You must do the basic stuff in order to help your team win. Do the basic stuff. Be a box to box number 8. Uyena into ayenzayo kulo mjida. He is very good at being a box to box and uyakwazi ukudropa deep, akwazi ukusiza team imark. That is what you need in a number 8. That is what you need in a number 8. So I'll play them bobo 2 kulesa sisu lesa. Mase uthi number 10. Number 10 currently there is no better number 10 than Usipho Mbule. There is no better number 10 currently than Usipho Mbule. You may argue that there is, maybe you may say Mduduzi Shabalala. Currently Mduduzi Shabalala is playing very well for Kaizer Chiefs. Maybe you may argue that Umchita deserve, but I think Usipho Mbule really deserve to play that position. Maybe you can come with the stats and say, but look, Vane, ama stats akhe, akana assist, akana goal. Why edlala? No man, look at the guy. The guy udlala ibhola elimnandi. Udlala ibhola elimnandi uyakwazi ucreate iflair foriteam, uyakwazi ukuyisiza team idlale ibhola. Yabo, ukuba khona kwakhe uzosiza team idlale ibhola. We are playing football when we have a player like Usipho Mbule. So you need a guy like Usipho Mbule as number 10, Bafana Bafana. He plays like Umshish. He plays like Umshish. When we do not have Umshish, asinalutho lapha. We tried to play with Tito Maswangai, but Tito Maswangai didn't do lento yenziwa Umshishi. And mengibona Usipho Mbule ungikhumbuza ukudlala kwaMshishi medlala kuBafana Bafana. So ngingamqalisa uMjida as number 10. Mase ukuthi kuma-wingers wami. Kuma-wingers wami angifuni ulo ngiyalina nebafethu. Bayawazi umsebenzi. Mahawunkota kuBafana Bafana wenza the same thing ayenzayo medlala le ku-Altifak. Umjida uyakwazi ukudlala ibhola, uyakwazi ukushaya inqaku, uyakwazi ukugijima up and down. Yonke esiyidingayo kwi-right winger yethu. Mase ukuthi kwi-left winger. Do I have to speak? Do I have to speak about that right winger? Do I have to speak? That left winger. Kwi-Pirates uyadlala as right winger, but Mchita right kakhulu ka left. Do I have to speak about Osuna Police? For me, he's the best player kwi-Betway Premiership this season so far. Do I have to speak about Oswin? Uyawazi umsebenzi uMchita. And ogwese imedlalelo iBafana Bafana, he becomes another player. Uvele nje lo Mjida bafethu. But ke for me one of my wingers wami. Mase ukuthi ku-striker I know abanye bena bamthandi, but ke we need him. Yabo, we need him to play. I know it's a friendly game, but ke for me iyona lineup le engayisetha mina. Ngingaqinisa nje kanje. Yabo, emuva Williams, kuBundamane, noSibisi, uMdawo, uNomodiba, uMbatha, uMokwena, uSipho Mbule, uba uNkota, mase kuba ubani Osuna Police, mase kuba lo mfana lo phambili uLyle Foster. Wena wangitshela yakhe lineup ingathini, but ke eyami ingaba nje. Uvane lo bafethu ungakhohlwa usubscribe, sesiyafika ku 20,000. Sesiyafika njalo ku 20,000. Ngibonga kakhulu for isupport eninginikeza.